What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we'll be creating a simple cartoon illustration of Blue from Rainbow Friends. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of the page and draw two large circles for the eyes. Let's start with the one on the left. We're going to start from the very top, come all the way down towards the bottom of the eye, and then pull that back up towards the top. Now we want to leave a gap in between the eyes and draw that same size circle on the right. So we start by lining up the top of that circle, and we want to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Now inside the left eye, we're going to draw a smaller circle for the pupil, but we're going to pull this towards the inside edge. So start up here, draw that circle going all the way around, and then in. Along the top, let's draw a small circle for a highlight, and then we'll fill the inside of the pupil in black, going around that highlight. Let's trace the right eye along the inside, back to the top, all the way around, and then back up. Now I want to add a thick X going across the center of the eye. So we're going to draw two straight angled lines coming down from the left, and we'll fill the inside in black. Let's go in the opposite direction from the top right, going across the two lines, and we'll fill that in black. Now directly underneath the eyes, we draw a curve starting on the left side and come down across the mouth, and then pull that up towards the right. Let's go back over toward the left side, draw the bottom of the mouth, and come down. It's going to stop about halfway to right about there. Let's go to the top right, curve this down, and then in, and then gap. Let's connect these 2 points with a curve, going up and then down for the saliva. Now I'm going to add some drips coming down from these 2 points. We're going to start on the left. Come down and up, come down lower, and then bend that back up toward the top right. Now I'm going to place the tongue along the bottom. I'm going to start with a point in the center. Start with the left side, going up and then down. Go back to the center, go up towards right, and then down. Now I'm going to go back and fill the inside of the mouth in black. Now that you've drawn the face, let's move up to the top and draw the bottom edge of the crown. We'll start over on the left side, let's add a curve. And come down the middle, and then bend that up towards the right, towards the same height. From the ends, we're going to curve the head, going all the way around and then in. Let's start with the left side, going out around the eyes and mouth. I'm just going to pull that in to right about there. Let's do the same thing on the right, going all the way around the face, come down the side, and then pull that in. Now going back up to the top, we're going to add in the crown. From these 2 points, angle this up and then out. And then we'll add a point. We're just going to angle this back down and then in, and a gap in the center. Let's add that center point, going up and in towards the middle, and then bring that back down. Now I want to wrap these points along the back side. So in this gap, we're going to add another point. We're going to go up, and then down, and just line that up on the right side. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw on the outside of the arms. From the bottom of the head, we're going to step out, curve the arm going out, and then down. Let's round up the bottom of the arm, bend this up, and then in. And then from the top of the arm, it's going to bend the body, going out and then down towards the bottom of the legs. Let's round out the bottom of the legs, going to come down and then up. And I want to leave a gap in between. And then in the center, we're going to go up and add a curve, going across the top of the legs. And we'll tuck the legs in underneath that curve. Start with the left side, and then we'll sign our art and have a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw blue from Rainbow Friends. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.